Hello everybody! So today we'll play a wonderful game based on biodiversity which will help us to know more about biodiversity. The purpose of this game is to understand the interconnections in nature, to learn about services that humans derive from nature, to explore the connection between biodiversity, people and culture. All of the lives of people who live in an area are influenced by the biodiversity of that region. They need the ecosystem services that biodiversity provides in order to live and work in their own space and make a living. Our well-being and long-term survival depends on the conservation of biological resources.
Let's play and do the game. This is a hopscotch game. The player must hop on one foot in single squares and land on 2 feet in squares placed side by side. Sheets of the game and cut them. Draw the grid on the ground using chalk with number marked and place the cards in there.
One member from Team A must go forward to play standing behind the starting line. The player has to throw the tile in block number 1.
He or she has to then hop over the first block and so on. Then turn around, hop back to the second block, pick the card and return to the starting line.
Then the player should then read out of the text on the card to both the teams.
One player from Team A and one from Team B should run to complete the action described in the card.
The member who finds the object first gets 1 point for his or her team.
The two teams take turns to cross the stone and this continues until the last card is picked up and the action to that card is completed.
So what do you think? The team with maximum points is the winner. Let's play the game.
I think it pollinates the pollens of this flower.
So the question is, find an insect that feeds another insect.
Find a seed. Guess how it's get dispersed. puzzles as a jigsaw puzzle we have to play. So let's play.
We have arranged here the jigsaw puzzles. Let's puzzle. So here we can build up a story that the story starts with the male presenting a ruby red fig to the female during the courtship. This one.
So the second is the pairs decide to start a family when the female enters a hollow in a tall tree
To strengthen her protection, I think she and her partner seal up the hole with mud, leaving only a slight unfilled.
Yes. Next, fourth, I think.
In the next 4 months, the male bird spends his days finding foods and bring figs home to the female bird and later for the chicks.
And the fifth one, I think the mother bird will join the daily mission of bringing food.
Then I think that when the young birds emerge, they take to the skies with a strong taste for figs.
Yes. Next.
As they do, I think they will disperse.
I think just as their great parents did before them.
Yes. So this was our puzzle.